Welcome, you're watching Bolo Ki Jante Chao, in short BKJC. This is your friend Sayan with you. In this episode, we are going to talk about the biggest under construction project of Noida, Uttar Pradesh, Supertech Supernova. Supertech Supernova is not only the biggest construction in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, also it's one of the tallest tower in India. Before we talk about Supertech Supernova, let's have a look at the city, Noida itself. Noida is one of the emerging city in northern India. It is also a satellite city of Delhi, with many of the industries, offices, IT sectors, media sector, school, colleges, shopping mall and residential projects. It's growing day by day. It's well connected to national capital Delhi via wider roads and beautiful metro system. Many of the Delhiites, businessmen, entrepreneurs and service sector workers are moving towards Noida for better opportunity and better facilities. अरे थम जा भाई, आते हैं वापस। दोस्तों, आपने और मैंने मोबाइल पे हजारों गेम्स देखे और खेले होंगे, पर आज जो गेम मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ, दैट इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट गेम ऑफ माय लाइफ। दोस्तों, अगर आपके पास सेंसिबल ऑब्जर्वेशन है, अच्छी प्रेडिक्शन स्किल है, एक्सीलेंट IQ है, तो ये गेम आपके लिए ही बना है। अगर आप इस गेम में 10 रुपए लगाते हैं और आप जीत जाते हैं, तो आपको 1 गुना नहीं, 2 गुना, 3 गुना नहीं, पूरे 9 गुना पैसा मिलता है और आप हर 15 मिनट के अंदर 9 गुना पैसा जीत सकते हैं। है ना दोस्तों, कमाल की एप्लीकेशन। और मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा कि खेलने से पहले विनिंग लिस्ट जरूर चेक कर ले, जिससे आपकी ना केवल प्रेडिक्शन स्किल बढ़ेगी, बल्कि साथ ही साथ उसके जीतने के चांसेस भी बढ़ जाएंगे। भाई, मैं भी इस गेम को खेल रहा हूँ, सोच क्या रहे हो? जाओ जल्दी से डाउनलोड करो। यू कैन लॉग इन वाया Facebook as well. Link in the description below. Noida is about 25 kilometers southeast of New Delhi, 20 kilometers northwest of the district headquarters Greater Noida, and 457 kilometers northwest of the state capital Lucknow. According to the geographical size, it is approximately 203 square kilometer. With many of the residential and commercial projects in and across the city, Supertech is one of the biggest builder in the city itself. Supertech Supernova Spira is a super tall mixed-used skyscraper in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. It is located in Sector 94, Amrapali Nagar, Noida. With approximately 300 meters height and 80 floors, it is the tallest tower in northern India and the second tallest skyscraper in India. The construction of this mega project started in the year 2012. As of October 2015, construction of Supernova Spira by Supertech has been completed by 40%, almost 34 floors. As of January 2016, construction of Supernova Spira by Supertech has been completed 38 floors. As of June 2018, construction of Supernova Spira by Supertech has reached more than 200 meters, having 58 floors completed. As of July 2020, construction of Supernova Spira by Supertech has been completed up to 74 floors. Expected completion date is beginning of the year 2022. Beyond this wide road, well-connected metro station, this under-construction project site might look a bit messy, but it would be stunning in future, that is confirmed. However, this premium project's path was not as easy as you are watching right now. It had a bit of glitch. According to an article of Hindustan Times, in the year 2020, the Uttar Pradesh Real Estate Regulatory Authority said it has issued a notice to realtor Supertech asking why its registration should not be revoked over failure to submit a revalidation map of its project Supernova in Noida. On the other hand, the Supertech Group, however, said did not receive any RERA notice issued in February 2020 and cited lockdown-related reasons for the delay in submission of the revalidation map of the premium project. The authority said the show cause notice has been issued to the developer under Section 7 of the RERA for revoking the registration of its project Supernova Phase 4. The authority said it had granted conditional registration to the project on assurance by Supertech chairperson RK Arora that a revalidation map would be submitted in 6 months. The project is premium, undoubtedly. And the problem arised aside is also very premium. I think all these problems would be resolved and the project would see the sun of the future. I hope you enjoyed the ride of Supertech Supernova along with Noida. It's enough for this episode. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. With expectation of serving happiness again in another episode, I am signing off for now. Stay tuned and keep watching Bolo Ki Jante Chao, in short BKJC. It's regional, a bit national and a bit global.